Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Improvised explosive device explode at State Police Quarter in East Janta Hills District. CRPF personnel injured in group clash at Nongminsong in Shillong. And Laban MDC Mitchell Wankar donates food items to villagers outside his constituency. And now the news in detail. The State Police Quarter near the office of the Superintendent of Police in Declariat East Janta Hills District was jolted when an improvised explosive device exploded at 1:30 a.m. today. No one was injured in this incident. Speaking to the media, Meghalaya Home Minister Lakmin Rumbui confirmed about the incident and said that the police are investigating the matter. Rumbui said the State Police Bomb Squad immediately rushed to the spot to investigate the incident. The minister informed that there was a minor damage to the building and the police are yet to know who was responsible for this incident.
Yesterday morning at around 1:45 in the morning, one bomb has been exploded at the Declariat Police Reserve, where there is a damage to the building, but there is no people who have been injured into that bomb blast. So it is an IED bomb which is being exploded. So the matter is under investigation to know who is behind all this. You see, we cannot, when the matter is under investigation, I cannot say who is involved. But from us, we see that it may be that the police are very vigilant now to curb all the illegal activities. Maybe there are desperate people looking at the action of the police. They try to create this type of thing in that district. When the matter is under investigation, so the police will do its duty. In the Declariat Police Reserve, near the building, in the building.
One CRPF personnel was injured in group clash that happened in Nongminsong in Shillong at 11:30 p.m. yesterday, Meghalaya Home Minister Lakmin Rumbui said. Talking to the media, Rumbui said there was a fight between groups due to some misunderstanding. The police are investigating the matter and a case will be filed against all those involved in the incident. The police have been asked to prompt action for such incidents and also to ensure a sense of security among the people living in and around Nongminsong.
Some house of the people, then the police went there, and after some time the matter had been solved. But I think that after some time, again, the police got a call that some people again create nuisance in that particular area of the Nongminsong area. Then the police went there, but in that they have identified two persons. One is Henrik Hakingor, one is orderly of DGP only, but I forgot his name. So they have taken to the police station, and when they reach police station, then some people, mob around 50-60 of them, they reach there, then they try to create the disturbances, but after some time with the initiative of the village, of the residents, and also the police, the matter could be bring into control. The matter is, so the police are investigating this matter, and the matter will be clear after the police investigation. Yes, one CSF personnel was also injured in that thing, and he was taken to civil hospital for necessary treatment. No, investigation is on. The police will do what is necessary after they get a clue, and the thing, whoever may be involved, they will do the necessary thing. You see, I didn't buy that idea. When the people are already drunk, those who are dead, already drunk, who is doing that, who is not doing that. So that's why the most important thing that for anything like this, whenever the police got any report, they should act swiftly so that this rumor monger could not spread the news in such a way that will create unnecessary disturbance in any particular area of the state. So police, wherever in the state of Meghalaya, wherever they get information, no matter what, they should act swiftly so that rumor monger could not spread the false news which brought unnecessary twist the incident in something which become, for their own benefit. So, as I said, matter is under investigation. The police will do all necessary things. So, and I request that any people who know that they can they can keep their statement to the police so that the police will bring any person involved into the book.
The member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Michelle Wankar, who represents the Laban constituency today, said that it is better to give a little than to sympathize without doing anything. Speaking at the program held at Maukand at the food distribution, Wankar informed that these helps are not for the people of his constituency but for those who are living in other areas but are in dire need. These food items were distributed to the people belonging to Maukan, Maurashai and Maunyangla villages.
Jadi besok ni senang dengan yang belum. Nampak semuanya mau keluar, naik orang sampai, tentang ni ini lagi senang mesti mau kan, mau rasa, tak yang mau yang lah, boleh bentar. Mai kulit kertam, ini perlu dengar, beri nama kita ini beri nama, wei kasar lagu, ante yang satu, karena saya. Kalau sedang di dalam ini lagi dengan bahasa dalam ini, setri dalam ini, tiba-tiba apa pensang ini di mata, pani pensang orang tadi yang bedok. Kemudian saya ini gas nong orang empat itu, tadi kebanyakan. Mereka kemudian saya sedang abang itu nak kotor, kemarin ini jangan kemarin, ini ikut kemarin hari ini tiba hari jangan. Ngadu po yang mau rasai niya po niya let niya wan ni ado bedan ni maret ado bedan ni dangdan niya dan ni te bobo nang ni ikor kalang dilang ngai itu dilang di bahaya hasan te apa mulai niya kadika kham ko atrai borba ni kenge marse namar ini di ngalam di si samtam me isang samla kagak ngalam jang ba alet ilawan membuat dilang yang di bedok berjenjang mungkin ketua, but mengayu ublay, bawa yang kami aku masih di Shillong. Yang aku ublay, yang aku ublay, barang-barang pun jadi dikenal. Barang-barang pun jadi dikenal. Kaya nang fakam Shillong kan? Ingkon hakor biwan ibarat nak bentar bentar yang bah semua firaq dan yang bisa kan menir. Aku ngari kapor kimar yang banyak dia saya kalau kerja aktif pun mentah ham menjual penting kamu mentah ada ham keluar India aku untuk kumno nanti kasar saya mau masih kan lagi jauh bilang ni bahas ni aku siang pada bah ya bah lagi semua namanya semua itu juara dan bilang ni nak buat semua mau istri minum mau nai mau kan mau wan ni apa sih kita sini Shillong dan yang kan berkipat dah aku soalnya nama aku mau ni berpuar nang itu mundan balik bang itu kadang ini aku kan bah mundan boundary ni dah upat hasil bayar ni yang hakana orang kecaka ni yang nak kita pradok prasna aja kalau uai pradok prasna jadi di om hang dia kata ula bukan pradok prasna jadi ubah rong apa kata nama bunda di kasu pajono tambro denam deh pajono lah dah pun kali berpuaro kadang hidup hilang aku mengat kadang hidup hi bah kadang kilong dia tiba ini kem hendak syuk abang gadi, nyepat donot lah. Bat hendak kita syupat donot, hendak ni ini menyerap itu. Ini kan menyerap itu menyerap. Kalau ada yang menyerap sibuan, hendak kat pala. Pada barang menyerap itu mesti menyerap ha. Ada beliau pasti jengi, kan untuk. Nomor kadang di Jepang bagi berspa, jika main aku bentar, lai patai. Hendak bodok ukamai nak bentar si sejam yang siu dah kali. Terus tu ya. Bodok. Jadi nama kadang siu mah. Kadang situ dan tengah. Bala dah ngira benar. Yang itu siang si bodok ni bodok tang. Nipet jaga nuksa kamu dah terisa. Mana besar kamu no? Kalau jumlah dan besar di situ kamu. Kali semua besar kami wajib. Kata dia manusia. Pada barak jumlah besar di bumi kita terlibat apa dia kalau ada di bawah. Atau bertang sini kadang dia kesian tu benutong mengai bisa ngam itu ya.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.